Welcome to the channel where we share practical tips for getting the most out of your mobile apps. In today's video, you will learn how to manage notifications in the Mondly app on your phone, so you only receive the alerts that first. Open the Mondly app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the profile icon. Then, click on the settings icon located at the top left corner. After that, select the Notifications option to view all the categories of alerts available within the Mondly app, including practice reminders. Finally, choose any category you want to manage and turn on or off notifications for both email and push alerts according to your preference. You can repeat this process for each category of notifications to customize your Mondly experience and only receive alerts that are relevant to your learning. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and share it with friends who use Mondly.